Hello everyone, Larry with Larry the Computer Guy here. We are an IT managed service provider in Commerce, Michigan. We specialize in cybersecurity and HIPAA compliance. Today's security tip: bookmark the legitimate websites you frequently visit. Here's a sneaky trick used by many hackers. They purchase and set up a fraudulent website that is close to the spelling of a legitimate one. For example, www.dropbox.net instead of dropbox.com. All you have to do is accidentally fat finger one letter in the URL and up pops a very legitimate looking fake copy of the site you're trying to get to. And the login and links are full of keylogger malware and virus landmines waiting for you to click on them. This is very important for any social networks you belong to. 2 tips. 1. Bookmark sites you frequently visit. But even better, have us install a web gateway security product that blocks sites that are suspicious and fraudulent. That way, even if you click on a link to a phishing site, get directed to an infected site, or accidentally type in the wrong URL, the site will be blocked, protecting you and your employees. Please click on the subscribe button located here. Please give us a thumbs up and leave your comments below. Please follow the government's recommendation on social gathering. Stay safe out there.